स्क्रीन दिसते का? हॅलो.
दिसते
Yes,
सर.
sir.
काय बघा ना. One request I would like to काय म्हणणार बघा ना, I wanted to suggest and one thing, if it is possible, you convince to your class coordinator and try to purchase a subscription of Zoom, because it is very difficult here most of the times after 40 minutes. That is one kind of disturbance. If department will purchase an subscription for Zoom application, so 24 hours we can conduct one meeting. Approximately I think 1534 rupees are required. You will get one month subscription. So who is class coordinator? Class coordinator म्हणायचं काय म्हणायचं? Class representative. Hello. Who is CR?
No, sir.
No CR.
श्रीकांत जाधव.
So if it is possible, you try to convince to your class coordinator and try to ask for purchasing of Zoom subscription. This will help for all of us most of the times. बघा, आणि एक माझ्याकडूनच एक छोटंसं सजेशन म्हणू आपण. बाकीच्यांना काय डिस्टर्बन्स होत नसेल तर माझ्या एकट्यासाठी कोणी विकत नाही घेणार आहे. Am I right? Yes. चला.
Yes.
Yes sir.
ठीक आहे. So have you understood CO number 4? CO number 4. Statistical methods, statistical analysis also we can perform and to solve again civil engineering problems. Okay, जाऊया आपण पुढे. See here, this is the unit number 1, chapter number 1 or unit number 1, a revision of C programming concepts. Within 6 hours, university is asking to complete this unit. Okay, revision of C programming language. So C programming language already you have learned in FY BTech part 2. Am I right? Hello.
Yes.
Some part म्हणू आपण, and 50%, at least 50% you might have learned, and after that what happened due to this COVID, sessions were not conducted and most of the part was missing actually from college side and your side also. But revision of C programming concepts, this is the unit number 1, where actually again we are focusing on some problem solving techniques like algorithm and flowchart. Okay, building blocks of C program, how to write one C program, and while writing one C program, what kind of things we need to use in the program. That is the point number 1. Point number 2, character set in C, data structure, data types in C, operators in C, decision control statements, looping control statement, case control structure. Actually, this is the unit number 2. If you will observe, programming for problem solving subject, which was an therefore time FY BTech part 2. So this is unit number 2 at that time. But in first unit of your CPNM subject, entire chapter is actually revision for C language. So in short, once again, we will be trying to understanding what is meant by C program, how different kinds of looping control statement, decision control statements can be used. Okay, civil engineering based problems, which is using decision control structures, looping control structures, and case control structures. That also we will try to learn and understand. And just one example I would like to quote here. See here, in last you might have measured a distance with the help of chain as a civil engineer. As a civil engineer, have you measured any distance with the help of chain? Chain ni distance मोजलाय का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that example, let us consider
Yes, sir.
that example. If you are measuring certain distance with the help of chain, so there are two possibilities. If suppose you are using that chain in summer season, so at that time what will happen? There will be expansion in the links. because of high temperature. In summer season, the temperature will be more, because of which what will happen, whatever links, chain is actually collection combination of links, and due to summer season, due to high temperature, length of link gets increased. It means किती किती असतं डिस्टन्स त्याचं, 20 मीटर का 30 मीटर चेन? हॅलो हॅलो
20 meter and 30 meter. Yes, sir.
30 meter.
20 meter chain and 30 meter chain. There will be two types of chains. Accordingly, you can measure the distance between 2 points, between 2 objects. And if you are measuring distance between two stations, म्हणू आपण, distance between two places, distance between two objects, in such cases, if you are using chain, and if you are using that chain in summer season, automatically there will be some error in the chain. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Actual length of chain will be more, and whatever distance you will be measuring with chain, it will be less. And that's why whatever error will be there, that error sometimes we need to add, or sometimes we need to subtract. And in winter season, it will be opposite. Am I right? Hello, am I right? Hello. Sir, there is also logic. There is also logic, and because practically due to different kinds of seasons and temperature differences, most of the times whatever chain we are using for measuring the distance, it will not remain same length. It will not have same length. Because of this temperature difference, sometimes it gets expanded, sometimes it gets compressed म्हणू आपण. And because of this, there will be positive and negative errors. And if this problem you will consider, and this problem, if we will communicate to the computer, so computer will help us to solve such kind of problems, and exact length can be measured, exact distance can be measured between two stations, between two places, between two distances, between two points म्हणू आपण. Distances चुकला शब्द काय बघा. Am I right? Hello, hello. Yes. Hello. Any doubt? Any
Yes,
issue?
sir. No
And,
doubt.
last point where we will try to understand C functions, or functions in C, how to write our own user defined function, that we will try to understand, because functions are very useful when larger programs you are when larger problem you wanted to solve. It's very easy for us to use functions. Functions are the sub programs, we can call, in another language, functions are the sub programs, and these sub programs will help us to write our own separate individual functions, where modular we can solve the problem with separate modules. See here, most of the times if problem is very big, बघा ना कसं आहे. If suppose this is the problem, let us call this problem as P, and this problem if I wanted to solve, and if I think this problem is big, then how we can solve that problem? We can cut it down. We can cut it down, that problem, into small pieces, and these small pieces we can solve. Because togetherly, if you are trying to solve the problem, it is very difficult. But when we are breaking it down into small pieces, and when you will think for this part only, then it will be very easy for us to find the answer or solution for that problem. And slowly you can solve for this, then you can solve for this, and entire problem gets solved. Only this is the mindset. Only this is the mindset, because most of the times if any problem we will try to solve, initially we will feel it is very difficult to solve. But once you will cut it down, once you will break down, once you will cut that problem into small pieces, and if you will try to solve, then it will become very easy. Am I right? Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So if we wanted to solve that big problem into smaller pieces, so function will help us to cut that problem into smaller pieces, and you can use, and for this segment we can write one small function, for another segment we can write another small function, for third segment we can write third small function, and togetherly if all those functions we will use in one program, definitely one big problem can be solved. That's why C functions are very much essential and important. Hello? Yes? Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तर इथपर्यंतच आपण बघतोय. हिअर वी आर स्टॉपिंग टुडे अँड डायरेक्टली वी आर ट्राईंग टू राईट अँड प्रोग्राम्स अँड व्हॉट इज बीन बाय प्रोग्राम दॅट युनिट नंबर 2 जे वगैरे काय आहे ते पुढे आपण जसं जसं होईल तसं बघूया ना. नाऊ वी विल स्टार्ट आहे ना युनिट नंबर 1 रिव्हिजन ऑफ सी प्रोग्राम. टुडे वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग अँड see here now in you are not in college and you cannot come to the lab and you cannot have the practice. For practice, give me 1 minute. I will share my screen. Share. Google दिसतं का? Hello? Yes.
Yes, sir.
See here, you note it in your notebook. One application I'm suggesting you, that application you can install in your mobile, Android phones. काय बघा ना, Turbo C Droid, DROID. Please write this application. Have you written name of the application? Hello. This is the symbol. This is the symbol for Android application. This Android application you can download it from Google Play Store. So from Google Play Store, you search here, okay, Turbo C Droid, and this application you install in your mobile. This application will help you to write programs in your mobile, because your mobile is also one kind of computer where you can have practice. Will it be okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So have you
Yes, sir.
have you noted this application, Turbo C Droid?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now before writing actual program, let us try to understand what is meant by program first. Here, if any task you wanted to complete with the help of computer, so what is required? As a programmer, we are giving certain instructions to the machine. Machine will understand our instruction. Hello.
Yes. Blank दिसतंय.
हा, ब्लँक दिसतंय. एक मिनिट. काहीतरी झालं आहे. आता दिसतं का?
Yes, sir.
So while writing any actual program, so what we are doing, certain instructions we are giving to the machine or computer or mobile or any electronic device. And if we are giving certain instructions, these instructions we wanted to give in this specific order. If we will miss specific order, definitely machine will not understand, and whatever desired output it wanted to display, it will not be displayed on the output screen. So desired output will not be displayed on the output screen if you are not maintaining proper sequence. Am I right? And त्यालाच आपण algorithm असं म्हणलं होतं. Algorithm means what? If any problem you wanted to solve, so you are following certain steps, and step by step, all those steps you are writing on the paper with the help of pen. बरोबर? Hello. Instruction number 2, instruction number 3, such all instructions you can write, and if somebody will follow all those instructions, definitely problem which you are facing, which you wanted to solve, that will be solved automatically. And these number of steps we are calling it as algorithm. So first of all, civil engineering student should be able to write, okay, algorithms. If any problem you wanted to solve, you start and using pen and paper, you write down all these steps. And if you are able to write down all these steps, then only you can solve the problems. Directly, we cannot solve the problems. Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
तर असं काहीतरी आहे ते बरं का. Now directly we will move towards writing a program and writing the program म्हणजे काय, that is the activity where actually we are giving instructions to the machine, and whatever instructions we are giving, accordingly machine will understand our instructions and desired output will be displayed on the output screen. And to understand this, one example I would like to give: ATM machine. All of you might have seen an ATM machine. Once you will enter into the ATM machine, initially there will be computer and computers असतात. ATM machine means automated teller machine. कॅशियरचा जॉब गेला बघा तिकडे, जॉब ऑफ कॅशियर आहे. And machine on behalf of man, on behalf of human, and actually machine is working, and there also you will find one computer. There also you will find keyboard and mouse. Actually it is not visible for the customers. It is visible, it is present in the machine. That keyboard and mouse you will find inside the machine. And on there will be one small table म्हणू आपण. There will be small table. On that table you will find a number pad where specific buttons you will get, and 0 to 9, and there will be 3 more buttons: cancel, clear, and delete. Some kind of such buttons you will find on the in the ATM machine, where you can press and you can perform certain transactions. Suppose I wanted to check balance from my account. It is very easy, very easily I can check it. Suppose I wanted to transfer fund from my account to my friend's account. That is also possible with the help of ATM machine. Simply we should have an account number of another person, to whom, another friend to whom we wanted to transfer money from our account to his or her account. And that is possible with the help of machine. That is possible with the help of computer. You might have seen, you are civil engineers, and JCB बघितलं का? JCB काय म्हणतात बघा ना. JCB actually कंपनीचं नाव आहे ते आहे ना, JCB. Earth mover आहे ना. We are calling it as, in another language we are calling it as earth mover. So if you'll find that earth mover, large amount of digging, if suppose you wanted to make in the earth, and that is possible with the help of JCB. Actually it is man operated. In future we can imagine that JCB without man, and that JCB without man we can imagine, and where only instructions we can give to that JCB. Most of the times it is very difficult to find the humans, those who will be working with JCB, such kind of machines. And they are charging much kind of, there are more charges, and if human is working with such kind of machines, again human is having sentiments, emotions. We need to take care of all those sentiments and emotions, because of which most of the times we need to pay a large amount to such humans. Therefore nowadays programs will be written, and these programs, once program will be written, automatically that GCB will work on behalf of human. आपल्याला त्या माणसाची गरज नाही लागणार, त्या ड्रायव्हरची वगैरे. समजतं का? हॅलो, एम आय राईट? बघा ना, विचार करा ह्या गोष्टींचा. मी जी काही बडबडलंय बरं का. आय होप यू आर अंडरस्टँडिंग. एम आय राईट? हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो. येस, ठीक आहे. तर आता इकडे हा, मानसी, आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग? हॅलो, फ्रॉम जम्मू.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here once again I'm sharing another screen. So this once again I'm requesting this application. You can download it in your mobile and start practicing small programs. You start writing, and you
सर लॅपटॉप प्रोग्राम लागेल
हा
लॅपटॉप साठी.
हाँ लॅपटॉप साठी what you can do ms dos tc म्हणून सर्च करा है ना ms dos tc which operating system you are using accordingly you can download that application ms dos turbo c please write it and turbo c or c++. So this application you can download in your laptop or desktop and this application will help you to execute write and a certain kind of programs. Will it be okay? Hello. And
Yes, sir.
those who are not having a laptop or a desktop, they can download this Android application in your mobile and start practicing. Now ms dos turbo c software I'm opening here and I'm sharing my screen. Give me 1 minute. And actually let us start and writing some kind of program. What is meant by program, that also we will learn. ms dos tc. Just take a screen. Hello. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here in first year engineering, you might have already you are aware. I don't want to explain each and everything, but in short, and at the top, whatever strip you are finding, that strip we are calling it as menu bar. Okay, this is the menu bar, and with the help of mouse or with the help of your finger, and you can tap it. I know on your mobile you can tap it. For example, you can tap somewhere here. Once you will tap somewhere here in the mobile, so automatically here some kind of green kind uh, um, uh, uh, your cursor you will find on your cursor. Okay, in the mobile itself you will find cursor, and then with that cursor you can select certain options from the software. Turbo C Droid च्या संदर्भात सांगतोय turbo for turbo C Droid. And what you can do, you can open new file. Okay, how to open new file, have you understood? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here you will find one arrow. So when you tap or when you click on this arrow, you can maximize the blue screen. Okay, and this is the green button with which we can close this entire file. This file is noname.cpp. This file we have opened, this file we can close it with the help of this green button. Once I will click it, we can close that window. Okay, another thing, window option. In the window option you will find output, and when I will click on this output option from this window menu, then I will get output screen. So this is our output screen. Okay, so output color of output screen is black color म्हणू आपण. Color of output screen is black, and color of our blue काय म्हणणार आहे ना, where actually we are writing our program, when we are opening any new file, so color of that file will be blue. So how we can remember this blue colored file or blue colored window? If it is appearing in the software, we are calling this window as input window. So let us call this window as input window, and when we are opening output screen, so this is black screen, this black screen we are calling it as output screen. So there will be two screens, blue screen is input screen and black screen is output screen. समजलं का? Hello, have you understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Initially when you will open new file, so initially at the center you will find no name 01.cpp. It means whatever file you have opened, this file has not given any kind of name. Let us save this file, and to save this file you can click on this file, you can select this option save. One window will appear and simply you can type. Okay, as this is my first file, I can write 1.c and you press OK button. So that file will be saved in your mobile or in your desktop or in your laptop in this way, 1.c. Is it visible? Hello, 1.c.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood how to save files? how to open new file. First step is what you need to open new file. After opening new file, what you do, you go to file again, you save your file, and while saving you give proper name. While giving proper name to our file, simply you give numbers to your file. If suppose you are writing your first program, you give an one dot and c is the extension. Machine will understand it is C programming file. Let us try to understand what is meant by extension. So .c is the extension. If suppose you are watching any kind of movie in the mobile or laptop, you will find .mp4 file. Am I right? MP4. Hello.
Yes, sir.
MP4 will be the extension for video files म्हणू आपण, where we can observe certain kind of videos. Movie बघू शकतो आपण. We can watch movies. If suppose you wanted to listen any kind of music, so what is required? MP3 file. So MP3 file will help us to listen the musics. .txt will be the text file. .doc will be the document file. .ppt will be the presentation file. If suppose you wanted to prepare any kind of presentation, so presentation can be prepared with the help of PowerPoint presentation. But once you will save that file, its extension will be pptx. pptx will be the extension for PowerPoint presentation kind of files. You might have learned AutoCAD. There will be DWG kind of file. .dwg. DWG means what? Drawing file. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes. Again, there will be two cursors. This is blinking cursor. Let us call it as blinking cursor. And one more cursor you will find on the screen. This is mouse cursor actually. On the mobile also you will find two kinds of cursors. So this cursor will help us to write, okay, with the help of keypad, and with the help of keypad, certain information you can type here. And this is the mouse where you can locate your position. If I will click here, so I can change the position of blinking cursor. By pressing enter key, we can go to next line, new line. Enter key. समझ लगा है? Hello. Blinking cursor, position of blinking cursor we can manage and with the help of this. So wherever blinking cursor is available at that time, you can write, you can type. So you can change, and suppose I want to type here, so I can click here and I can type here. So whenever you want to type, so simply you tap there, okay, and you can write the text messages or certain information or instructions you can give to the machine. काय अडचण? Hello. Hello. Yes. Are you there? कळलं का इथपर्यंत काय अडचण? Have you understood how to use?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to understand how to write program. Basic program we will see here, and basics एकदम basic. ठीक है? If I will press, मला वाटतं once again आहे ना, after 10 minutes there will be disturbance आहे ना by this Zoom application. So what is my request? Once again you need to join. Please join it, and again after 10 minutes there will be message येतो तिकडे आहे ना Zoom चा. So this is our programming screen. When I'll press, okay, Alt F5 key, or directly you can go here, window and output, then you can open output screen. So here initially you will find one line and a C:\turbo C \bin greater than symbol TC. This is the message which is already present on the output screen. And first program I want to write where this message I wanted to clear. And to clear this message, okay, C:\turbo C, we are giving an instructions to the machine. Already we have learned CLR SCR is the function which will be helping us to clear the previous output screen. So without wasting our time, this is called as comment. Extra information about the program we can write between /**, and whatever we will be mentioning in the comment, this information will be for us. This information will not be for computer. So computer simply it will be skipping, and whatever information you will be writing in the comment, that information will be skipped. So first program's information, I'm writing C program to clear output screen. Okay, this is the information that we have mentioned in the comment. Every time you save your file, okay, whenever you are writing, whenever you are adding any new line, immediately what you do, you go to file and you save it. Every time you save it, because whatever information will be typing, it will be temporarily stored in the RAM, random access memory. If there will be power shortage, or if your battery of mobile is not sufficient, and unfortunately if mobile gets switched off, in such cases whatever program you have typed, it will not be saved in your ROM and read only memory. In such cases, how you can take what is my suggestion, how we can take precaution? Simply you go here and file, and every time you try to save, and let us make this habit. So every time whenever new line you will be adding in your program, you go here and you save it, so your program will be saved. Otherwise, once again, whatever, suppose you are writing 50 to 20 50 to 100 lines, and if there will be power off, or mobile gets switched off, whatever lines you have typed, it get missed. Once again you need to rework. So let us stop and reworking. Most of the time of India, and we are investing wasting, we are wasting our time in rework. आपण सगळं आहे ना रिवर्क मध्ये आपला टाइम आयुष्यातला वाया घालवतोय. सो लेट अस नॉट वेस्ट टाइम अँड लेट अस अवॉइड अँड रिवर्क. ठीक आहे. So hash include this also, I don't want to explain, but hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. These are the basic steps. Without main function, program will not be executed. So void main, then enter opening and closing curly bracket. So for each and every program, these 4 to 5 steps or lines are important. For each and every program, you by heart all those 4 to 5 lines. And after this main function, you will find curly bracket. So opening and closing curly bracket represent start and end of the main program, where actually you can write your instructions between the opening and closing curly bracket. Now here I wanted to clear this message which is displayed on the output screen. I don't want this C colon backslash turbo C backslash TC. So simply what we can do, we can give first command, that is CLR SCR, then round bracket, semicolon. This is the syntax, and with this statement, machine will understand you want to clear, and you want to clear this output screen. So first instruction we have given, and if suppose extra information you wanted to write in the program, what this CLR SCR will do, that you can mention with the help of comment. So this is single line comment. 2 forward slashes represent single line comment, and forward slash star star forward slash, this represents multiple line comment. If suppose you have 4 to 5 lines, and for all those 4 to 5 lines, if you want to pass comment, in that case you can use multiple line comment. And if you want to pass, or if you want to give only uh, one line comment, in such cases what you can do, you can use 2 forward slashes. And extra information about the CLR SCR, if you want to write, you can write, otherwise it is optional. Okay, writing comments in the program, it is optional. Have you understood? Hello, comments are optional. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To clear the output screen. So this is optional. This is comment. This is optional. Why I have written? Because I whenever I will open my program 1.c, so in on this screen, when I will read this CLR SCR, immediately I will get information why this CLR SCR I have used in my program, because I will read it to clear the output screen. So this function will help us to clear the output screen. So program, see here, only one instruction we have written, and our program is ended over here. So let us compile it. So what kind of steps we are following? First of all, you are opening new file. After opening your new file, you save your file. You start writing the comment. Comment means extra information about the program that you can mention by using multiple line comment or single line comment. It's up to you. Then hash include stdio.h, conio.h, void main, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. That also you can mention between opening and closing curly bracket. You can write your instructions. And first instruction that I have written, I wanted to clear this private output screen. That's why I have written CLR SCR. And after writing your program, next step is what? You will have to compile your program. So compilation is the process where machine or computer will check whatever program you have written, is it right or wrong, and that will be tested. That will be verified. If you have made certain mistakes, so it will be throwing certain kind of errors. मग मी इकडे compile करतो बघा. So machine is displaying a message, success message. And once machine is displaying success message, it means whatever program we have written, it is 100% correct. And once our program is 100% correct, then next step we can go, that is execution of the program. And to execute our program, you can click this run option. Okay. And once you will execute, once you will run this program, so on the output screen, this message will be cleared. And so I'm executing now. Let us check it. I'm executing now. So program gets executed. Save केलं नाही बघा. See here, and such kind of problems you will also come across. And therefore, it's my suggestion, whenever you are adding new line in your program, you save your file. Otherwise, once again rework. And बघा, it's very difficult. And तुम्हाला सांगून मलाच लक्षात नाही राहत आहे. तुमच्या कधी लक्षात राहणार बघा. Please and conio.h F2 दाबायचं आहे ना. Yes. Now I am saving it. CLR SCR. कशासाठी आहे? To clear the out. Sorry. F2 save. Execute. We have executed. Now let us check on the output screen what happens. Windows and output. झालं का clear? Is it cleared? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, instructions we can give to the machine, and machine will help us. Machine will try to understand all those instructions, and according, see here on output screen we cannot do anything. Output screen is for customer. This is the final application. Once that application is executed, we cannot do anything on the output screen. If you wanted to do anything on the output screen, that you can do with the help of programming again. It means with the help of blue screen. It means with the help of again writing certain instructions in the blue screen itself, we can do something on the output screen. If I will try to write something on the output screen, machine will not allow me to write something on the output screen because certain instructions we have not given. समझते का? Hello. Hello. Here I want to write welcome. I cannot write welcome because if I want to write something on the output screen, I will have to give instructions from blue screen.